In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a specific portion of your drawing to a new file in AutoCAD. If you've ever needed to share only a clean snippet of a larger drawing or reuse a detail without sending the entire file, this method is perfect. We'll use the recommended WBLOCK approach, which writes just the objects you choose into a brand new DWG, leaving your original drawing untouched. Start by going to the command line at the bottom of your AutoCAD window. Type WBLOCK, or simply W, and press Enter. This opens the Write Block dialog. Here, you'll tell AutoCAD exactly what to export. In the Source area, choose Objects. This option focuses specifically on the items you pick, rather than the entire drawing or a predefined block, which keeps things precise and lightweight. Next, click Select Objects. Your dialog will temporarily minimize, and you'll return to the drawing area. Now, carefully select the parts you want to save. You can click items one by one, or use selection windows to capture groups. A left-to-right window selects only what's fully contained. Right-to-left selects anything the window touches, which is useful for complex areas. Take a moment to zoom in as needed and confirm you've grabbed exactly what you intend. When you are satisfied, press Enter to complete the selection and return to the dialog. With your objects chosen, set the destination file path and type in a clear descriptive file name. It helps to save into a project folder you can easily find later, and to name the file based on the detail or area you are exporting. Keeping your naming consistent will make collaboration and future retrieval much easier. When everything looks right, click OK. AutoCAD will create a new drawing that contains only the objects you selected. Your current drawing stays exactly as it is, nothing is removed or altered, so you can continue working without interruption. The new file is ready to share, archive, or reference, and because it's trimmed to just what you need, it's lean, portable, and easier to manage. This WBLOCK method is ideal for building clean deliverables from larger plans, extracting details for standards libraries, or sending subcontractors only the relevant geometry. That's it. Thanks for watching.